Hello everybody, Pounding Rocks checking in, and this is a Patches the Hard Body episode, and this is going to be just a quick one about the front timing cover. In the last episode I showed you guys the timing cover that came off the truck, and it showed the wear mark where the timing chain had been slowly eating away at this spot right here on the back of the timing cover. And that happens when your timing chain guides fail. So the chain just kind of starts wearing through here, and then eventually it opens up this water jacket, because this is where the water pump sits. This water jacket gets opened up and it just dumps coolant into the oil pan, and yeah, you get a chocolate milk mix. Well, I was looking at that closer, and you could see the notch that was in the other cover had actually started to breach the other side here. A very fine line. You can feel there shouldn't be any like lip inside this hole here. So as soon as I felt that, you could tell that that cover was done. So it had breached that. It hadn't made it bad enough to have it leak yet, but it was gonna just eventually fail just from being such thin material at that point. So I had a spare a 93 KA sitting in my other barn, and so I stole the front cover off of that one, and it's just as ugly. And I just got done putting it in the wash bay here at work for a little bit, and it did clean up quite considerably. It's not going for any prizes, so it's just going to look like this, but I just want to show you guys that you have to do this. Now's a good time to do the front crank seal, and the quickest way to do that is while you got this off the truck, you use I would use a plastic hammer with a drift, and I would pound this lip out from the inside out, so you're going to push the seal forward to get it to pop out. But when you're installing it, you want to do it from the front side. And what I did is I sprayed this whole thing down with glass cleaner, because glass cleaner, like spray away glass cleaner, I use it for everything. It's a great lubricant, and it evaporates. You can use oil, just like a little bit of motor oil, coat the outside of the seal, pop it in, and what you do is you take the plastic hammer and you just tap around, tap around, tap around until it's flush. You don't want it deep, just till it's flush. You'll feel it. Put your thumb on here, and if it's sticking out in one spot, just tap it down a little bit more in that area. And finally, that's the part number that I used for the front crank seal. It's a Timken 224650. I got it off of, I believe I got it off of Amazon, but you can get it off of Rock Auto, or you could get it locally. So yeah, different front cover, and it's starting to look good. And we'll be slapping the timing chain on this thing soon, and then the head will go out. So like, share, and subscribe. Sorry about the shortness of this video, but it's just a timing cover, no big deal. And yeah, also don't forget the when you're doing the timing cover, don't forget the O-rings that go here and here, and also you're going to want a new thermostat, which is in here, and you're going to want a new water pump since you're in here anyways. So that's another Patches update, and I'll bring more as more comes along. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out the other videos. Pounding Rocks signing off. Take care now.